You're going to receive a lot of feedback from multiple sources, so let's look at how you can quickly process all your feedback. First, let's look at the setup. For highlights, we have interviews and web snippets as sources of feedback. The web database holds the feedback you clip from the web, and the interview database stores the interviews you have with your customers and leads. You can create highlights from these sources and link these highlights to product features or components. Here's how you can process feedback. Here's the feedback inbox that shows you all the interviews and web snippets from those databases. It shows you the items that haven't been processed yet. Let's open an interview and process it. Here's the interview text. One simple way to process is to just read the interview, find something interesting, and link it to a feature. Let's say you want to link this. So you select the text and create a highlight. You can now use simple search to look for a relevant feature, in this example, getting started. When you find it, connect the highlight to this feature. Alternatively, you can switch from regular search to AI search. An AI will suggest some ideas based on the content of the selected text. Using either method, you can create a highlight for this feedback. Maybe this highlight isn't hugely important, so we'll give it a low severity level. An even quicker way to create highlights is to use AI suggestions. Just click this button and AI will analyse all the text you have in the interview and suggest some highlights. This section of the feedback is about handling feedback from intercom. We can just click link and a highlight will be created. And as with other highlights, you can set the severity level. And you can now review the other AI suggestions. When you're done, you can return to the feedback inbox and mark this piece of feedback as reviewed. Once it's been marked as reviewed, it'll disappear from the feedback inbox, and you can move on to the next piece of feedback to review.